Safe Shop. Direct this.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I hope all of you are staying safe and well at home. Today, I welcome you all to the first ever Safe Shop's virtual business marketing plan launch. This is going to be one of the biggest plans that is going to be launched by Safe Shop in India, which will allow unparalleled income opportunity and growth potential. We have a lot lined up for you today. And on that note, let's take a look at the glorious 20 years journey of Safe Shop in India. Safe Shop began its journey in New Delhi on 14th December in the year 2000. It was truly a pioneer in the direct selling industry with the launch of path-breaking products and services for the very first time in India. These included launching computer-based training programs, partnership with Panasonic for modern washing machines, and with Videocon for the launch of the first ever internet-enabled television. And this was just a start in the series of tie-ups that would follow with the big players and industry leaders such as Pentamedia, Old Mutual Kotak Life Insurance, ICICI Lombard Health Insurance, and the leading fabric manufacturers such as Grado GBTL, Vimal Reliance, Raymond's, and Burgoyne, the leading and oldest linen manufacturer in the world from Ireland. Safe Shop also offers amazing natural and healthy Ayurvedic products from Divinity Healthcare, state-of-the-art kitchenware from Prabha Steel, and world-class health and Ayurveda products from Shri Shri Tattva. Proud to enjoy the loyalty and trust of its ever-growing family of direct sellers, Safe Shop celebrates their hard work with plenty of travel, not just within the country, but around the world. Safe Shop today boasts of a total of over 200 products. They exist in every nook and corner of your home, from your apparel, your larder, to your bed linen. And now, Safe Shop has also made its way into your soul with its patented spiritual products like the first of its kind, the talking Bhagavad Gita and Sampurna Hanuman.
Vinay kare tehi ke karaj sak.
Here's presenting the organization's highlights. Safe Shop is the #1 direct selling Indian company with no less than 20 years of experience. ISO certified, the company follows all direct selling guidelines issued by the Department of Consumer Affairs. Widest range of branded products. Safe Shop presents the opportunity to literally shop till you drop with the widest and the most unique range of products manufactured by the most renowned brands of India. Power of achievers. The large number of achievers has made Safe Shop what it is today. Thousands of direct sellers rewarded with smartphones. Thousands of direct sellers rewarded with laptops. Thousands of direct sellers rewarded with LCD projectors. More than 5 crores in commission. Well, many direct sellers have earned as much as 5 crores as commission. Thousands of direct sellers travel to Europe and Asia. 24/7 support center. So we do boast of a support center that is available to your service 24/7. State-of-the-art dispatch center. The state-of-the-art dispatch center is the pride of Safe Shop. With so many milestones and achievements, the stage is set to get even bigger with the big launch of our new business marketing plan 2020 today. With so many incentives and big launches, there is also an aspect of Safe Shop's growth. Now time for the big moment you all have been waiting for. So तैयार हो जाइए सेफ शॉप के नए और भी बड़े और भी बेहतर बिजनेस प्लान के लिए. Presenting the new Zada Happiness Wala Plan 2020. as you like. 10 income streams. Now you can earn as much as you like with 10 different streams of income. Achieve unparalleled targets as per your efforts. You heard it right. Depending on your efforts and business skills, you can achieve unparalleled and unheard of targets. Retail compensation. Buy at wholesale, sell at retail. Retail compensation, where you purchase at wholesale special SSP or safe shop selling price and sell at retail price to earn great profits. Preferred customer compensation. Earn more as your team grows. So as your team grows, you introduce new direct sellers into your team. You earn preferred customer compensation when they buy Safe Shop products for reselling or self-consumption. More direct sellers, more sales, more business volume. As the number of direct sellers in your group grows, there is more effort and more business volume in your team by selling products. Team business compensation. Earn up to 2 lakhs weekly in each vertical. Well, this makes you an executive and qualified to earn team business compensation up to 2 lakh rupees per week in each blue, amber and purple verticals. Team retail selling or self-consumption compensation. Earn up to 2 lakhs weekly in each vertical. While grow bigger and earn team retail selling or self-consumption compensation of up to 2 lakhs per week in each blue, amber and purple verticals as your team grows on a weekly basis. Balanced BV will carry forward. This depends on the matching or pairing of both the teams. Well, not to worry, your balanced business volume will be carried forward to the next week. Earn up to 12 lakhs weekly. Well, yes, you heard that right. You can earn up to 12 lakh rupees approximately per week on one business center from team business compensation and team retail selling or self-consumption compensation, which is totally dependent on your and your team's hard work and business volume generated by the products you sell. Booster benefit every 3rd, 6th, 9th sale. Earn booster benefits as well on every 3rd, 6th and 9th directly sponsored DS product sale having retail order business volume of 200 BV and above. Earn up to 12 lakhs weekly. Well, yes, you can earn up to 12 lakhs weekly. Bonus is extra. Now, isn't that exciting? New ranks every time. Volume of repurchase of both your teams will lead you to new ranks every time. Work more, earn more. As and when you reach new levels, you will be entitled for the awards on that level. So the idea is simple, work more to earn more. Travel and car endowment. Rank 2nd to rank 10th will be entitled for the travel and car endowment. Resell for 5 months, get the 6th month free. Well, resell continuously for 5 months and get the 6th month totally free of average of the last 5 months. Achievers Corpus Payout. Receive undistributed ELS income or rank level income as Achievers Corpus Payout for ACP compensation. Quarterly overseas travel. So what's more is that we have exciting quarterly overseas travel rewards to keep your spirits high. And now moving on to the plan highlights. Get paid for each effort. Work more, earn more. Help others for stable income. BV carry forward to next week. Spillover benefit. Highest capping income. Travel overseas. Booster benefit. Shop more, save more. True success for any business is supported by well-managed logistics. Now we shall take you on a detailed tour of our entire order placement to dispatch process to ensure timely deliveries without any delays. So here's the behind-the-scenes look at the meticulous dispatch. And on that inspiring note, I shall wish you all the very best and leave you with few parting words from Mr. Rajat Verma, Director Operations, Safe Shop.
आज हम लोग सब देश के कोने कोने से एकत्रित हुए एक ऐसे हैप्पीनेस उत्सव के लिए जिससे हर डायरेक्ट सेलर की सेफ शॉप के परिवार के हर एसोसिएट की, चाहे वो सीनियर लीडर्स हों, ब्रांड न्यू डायरेक्ट सेलर्स हों, उनके एनर्जी में, उनके एंथुजियाज्म में एक इतना इम्पेटस मिलने वाला है जिससे आप लोग दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी मेहनत करके अपने सपनों को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से साकार कर पाएंगे। आज बड़ा गर्व महसूस होता है जब लाखों लोग हमें ना केवल इस कंपनी के डायरेक्टर्स के रूप से देखते हैं, बट अपने अपने परिवारों के मुखिया के रूप से देखते हैं। इस विश्वास को हमेशा हम प्रथम रखेंगे और आपको, आपके परिवार को नए ऊंचाइयों पे, नए बुलंदियों पे, नए शिखर पे पहुंचाएंगे। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ, बुलंद हौसले तेरे रास्ते की हर दीवार गिराएंगे, मजबूत इरादे तुझे नई मंजिलों तक पहुंचाएंगे।
Now we shall leave you with a few motivational lines that reflect upon Safe Shop's beautiful journey and the promise of a brighter future ahead.
घुमा फिरा के नहीं, सीधी बात सबसे कहते हैं। मेहनत और लगन से अपने सपने साकार करते हैं। गिर के उठते हैं, उठ के चलते हैं। हार से नहीं, हम हार मानने से डरते हैं। संघर्ष से ही तो पत्थर हीरे बनते हैं। हम जो भी करते हैं डायरेक्ट दिल से करते हैं। कंधे से कंधा, कदम से कदम मिलाएंगे। अकेले अकेले नहीं, हम सब साथ आगे जाएंगे। लोग चाहे जो कहें, हम तो बस मुस्कुराएंगे। खाली हाथ आए थे, प्यार लेके जाएंगे। हम बस इतना ही करते हैं। हम जो भी करते हैं डायरेक्ट दिल से करते हैं।